Today, we are diving into the 2025 Honda ADV 350, a scooter that blends adventure styling with everyday practicality. A refreshed design for 2025. The 2025 Honda ADV 350 builds on its rugged personality with updated styling that's sharper and more aerodynamic. It retains its dual-purpose look with a tall windscreen, adventure-style front beak, and bold LED lighting. This scooter is clearly built for both city streets and occasional rough patches, making it a versatile option for urban adventurers. Performance and engine. Powered by a 330 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, the ADV 350 offers a solid mix of power and efficiency. It produces around 29 horsepower and is paired with a smooth CVT transmission. Honda's enhanced Smart Power Plus, ESP Plus, technology keeps the ride efficient, while traction control and ABS add to its safety credentials. Comfort and practicality. The scooter features long travel suspension, with $37 million front forks and twin rear shocks that make it capable of handling bumps with ease. The stepped seat and upright riding position ensure comfort for both rider and pillion. There's also a spacious underseat storage area and a USB-C charging port, thoughtful touches for daily use. Tech and features. Honda has equipped the 2025 ADV 350 with a fully digital LCD display, keyless ignition, and smartphone connectivity through the Honda RoadSync system. These modern features enhance the riding experience and bring the ADV 350 in line with premium scooter expectations. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda ADV 350 continues to prove that adventure isn't just for big bikes. With its practical features, efficient performance, and rugged style, it's a solid choice for riders who want the best of both worlds: city convenience with a dash of off-road flair.